Alright, so today I'm making hot wings. I've already baked the wings, as you can see, seasoned them, alright, in the oven. Baked it on 450 for about 20 minutes. Took them out and I sauteed some minced garlic with a little bit of butter, and now I'm putting the hot sauce in. Alright, so now I'll add the seasoned wings to the minced garlic with a little bit of butter and the hot sauce mix. Okay, and then I'll just kind of stir that around. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, let me turn this vent off. The sauce is kind of sticking to the wings at this point. And I want to get that little, I guess, not burnt, but the little, I guess, burnt spots on the wings. Almost like they're fried a bit. Okay. I guess they are fried. They're in this little wok skillet kind of thing. So yeah, the aroma, goodness. Spicy. Alright, so these are buffalo wings. As I said before, where's my finger? I cooked them, seasoned them, and let them marinate for about an hour. And then I cooked them on a 450 temperature in the oven. Then I took them out, just kind of drained the chicken fat off of them. And then I put them in a skillet with a little bit of butter. Or you can use olive oil. I like using olive oil with minced garlic. Let that simmer for a while. And then I added the wings and my sauce, my buffalo sauce. Or hot sauce, however you want to say. Whatever you want to mix to make yours hot. All right? Alright, so as you can see, the hot wings are almost done. I'm going to take them out and put them on a plate in a little bit. So I'll give it maybe 2 more minutes of browning, okay? Alright. Smells so good! Alright, so here's the finished product. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat. I think I'll try both the blue cheese and the ranch dressing with it. Just kind of dip it in there. But that's it, guys. Buffalo wings. Alright, here's the whole pan.